Newton's first law, also known as the law of inertia, states that an object at rest will remain at rest, and an object in motion will remain in motion with a constant velocity, unless acted upon by an external force. In simpler terms, it describes the behavior of an object when there is no net force acting on it. There are two important aspects to consider in Newton's first law. Objects at rest tend to stay at rest. If an object is not moving, at rest, and there are no external forces acting on it, it will remain stationary. For example, if you place a book on a table and leave it undisturbed, it will stay there until something, like your hand or another force, moves it. Objects in motion tend to stay in motion. Similarly, if an object is already in motion and there are no external forces acting on it, it will continue moving with the same speed and direction. For example, if you slide a hockey puck on an ice rink and there is no friction or any other forces involved, it will glide indefinitely in a straight line at a constant speed. The key concept behind this law is inertia, which is the tendency of an object to resist changes in its state of motion. An object will only change its state of motion if an external force acts on it, either to set it in motion or to stop it from moving. Newton's first law is fundamental in understanding the behavior of objects in our everyday life and is a foundational principle in classical mechanics. It forms the basis for Newton's other laws of motion, which describe how forces influence an object's motion and acceleration.